This video I will explain is Google Pay safe and security features of Google Pay. Google Pay is a popular mobile app using that you can send and receive money directly from your bank account. If you are new to it, you might wonder, is Google Pay safe to use? The answer is yes, but it is important to understand how Google Pay stays safe. We will see the key security features of Google Pay. First one is UPI PIN protection. Every time you send money using Google Pay, you must enter your UPI PIN. This is a 4 or 6 digit number that you create when setting up your UPI account. Why this matters? Only you know the PIN. Even if someone gets your phone, they cannot send money without the PIN. Second one is device lock and screen lock. Google Pay checks that your phone itself is secure. You need a screen lock on your phone, like PIN, password, fingerprint, face unlock. Why this matters? It adds an extra layer of security and your app is protected even before it opens. Third one is secure connection. Google Pay uses secure technology to connect your bank account and UPI servers. It keeps your data encrypted, which means it is coded in a way that makes it unreadable to hackers. Why this matters? Your personal and bank details stay private and safe. The app handles your information securely in the background. Fourth one is no sharing of card or bank details. When you make a payment, Google Pay does not share your bank account number, card number, or personal information with the person you are paying. Why this matters? You can pay safely without worrying that someone will see your private bank details. Fifth one is alerts and notifications. Google Pay sends real-time notifications every time money is sent or received. Any activity happens in your account. Why this matters? You can instantly detect if something strange happens. You stay fully aware of every transactions. Sixth one is Google's fraud prevention systems. Google uses advanced fraud detection systems to monitor activity on your account. If it notices unusual behavior, it may block transactions and alert you. Why this matters? It helps to prevent unauthorized payments or scams. Now we will see how to stay safe while using Google Pay. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Do not scan or pay unknown QR codes. Avoid clicking on links or messages claiming free money. Always check the receiver's name before confirming the payment. In simple terms, Google Pay is safe as long as you use it smartly. The app has strong security features, but you also play a role in keeping your money protected.